Is your device running low on storage because of Telegram's expanding cache? Want to know how to clear it automatically? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you an easy way to automatically clear your Telegram cache so you can keep your app smooth and save storage space with minimal effort. Now let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. After that, tap Settings. Then go to Data and Storage. In the Data and Storage section, you'll find Storage Usage. Tap on it. Scroll down to the Auto Remove Cached Media section. Here, you'll find options to automatically delete unused media after a specific period from private chats, group chats, channels, and stories. Now choose from the available options: 3 days, 1 week, 1 month, or never. And that's it. I hope these steps helped you set up an automatic cache clearing in the Telegram app on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Got any questions? Or is there another topic you'd like me to cover? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.